Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Big Mike with BZ Cooks. And today, because it's football season and the playoffs are going on, Super Bowl is coming up, we're going to be making an adult beverage for our guests. Today we're making a TIPSY Arnold Palmer. So before we get started, you know how we do, guys. Make sure you click the subscribe button. I'll wait. Right, congratulations to you, and hit the bell notification to make sure that you're notified whenever we make a new video, okay? So with that being said, we're gonna get started right into our ingredients, and we're gonna make our TIPSY Arnold Palmer.
All right, man, so let's get this going. We're gonna start off with 4 cups of hot water. So once that's done, you're gonna incorporate everything. Well, let's talk about our ingredients. We got 5 tea bags. You can use whatever type of tea you want. It's totally up to you. We've got about a teaspoon and a half of lemon zest, and we got some fresh squeezed lemon juice, about a half cup. Then you've got 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and the star of the show, we've got our bourbon. Doesn't matter what kind of bourbon you use, you can use your favorite bourbon. Okay, now we're going to get the ingredients to start making our tea. We're going to take our tea bags, we're going to take the lemon zest and your sugar, and you're going to put that into your bowl. Once all of that is done, as you can see, the water's boiling right there. We're just going to start to add the water. Now, here's one thing you want to make sure. Once you've added your water, you're going to stir this in. It's no different than making a big giant cup of tea. It's not rocket science, super easy, but you want to make sure all of your sugar is dissolved, okay? So just make sure that you do that and you won't have any problems. You want to make sure that all the sweetness gets into your tea. All right, take some saran wrap or a plate or whatever you want to cover, whatever it takes to cover your pot, and steep your tea for 5 minutes. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Once all that is done, then we're going to move forward and we're going to get a strainer. So now you're going to grab your strainer and your container that you're going to put your tea into. Now, pro tip here, and I didn't realize this, take your tea bags out, because as you can see, when I start pouring this tea in here, the bags are going to get in the way and it's going to start coming out the sides a little bit. Eventually I got it in there, but you know, that was some precious liquid gold that I could have held on to. All right, so now that I've got that, we're going to put that to the side and we're going to start to add more cold water. So I didn't have a 4-cup container, so I just got 2-cup containers and pour that in there. And then I'm going to add my lemon juice, and right after that I'm going to add my bourbon, and we're going to stir it in just to make sure that you've got it incorporated really good. Now I use George Dickel 12 Tennessee whiskey for my my alcohol, but as I said before, you can use whatever type of alcohol that you want to use. It's really up to you. Okay, now this is an added plus. You don't have to do this, but you can add some lemons for extra flavor, and voila, there it is, the TIPSY Arnold Palmer, folks.
All right, guys, we are done. It's super simple, as you can see. You may want to use a bigger pitcher. Using this pitcher, it pretty much almost filled it up to the top, so I didn't have room to put ice in it. Now remember, you can use this recipe without the alcohol, because you may want to make 2 batches. Make 2 batches, one for the adults and one for the kids. Either way, they're all gonna love it. Hey, I'm gonna keep it real today, guys. We're gonna drink this out of a nice mason jar. I got some ice here. I'm gonna put plenty of ice in it because adding that cold water to it, it's still pretty hot. So you may want to just chill this and put some ice in it and chill it. But today I'm going to go ahead and pour a glass. Cheers, everybody. Oh man, this is going to be delicious. This is a pretty big, a pretty big helping. I might need to call somebody after I'm done with this. All right, let's get it nice and chill. I'm adding a couple more ice cubes to this. All right, man, let me get a straw. All right, so I got my straw. This is environmentally safe, by the way. It's not plastic. Let's give her a taste. Oh man. Hey, this is really good. That cup of bourbon, you can taste it a little bit. You can tell it's there, but it's not overpowering. So if you want to make it a little stronger, you can use 2 cups or maybe start with 1.5 cups. Taste it yourself and see what it tastes like. But this right here, bro, oh man, this is delicious. Hey, if you don't make this, you're doing yourself a disservice because, oh man. Okay, I'm done. I'm signing off. Hey, thank you for watching the video today. You better make this, seriously, you better make this. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, holler back at your boy, and we'll see you at the next video, all right? Peace.